Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Sa hapong ito, tatanggapin ninyo ang basbas ng Diyos sa inyong pagsasama. You see, Domael Enrique Riva, ito ay isang napakalaking biyaya na inyong tatanggapin. Isang biyaya dahil you will find meaning in life through each other. Ito ang reason kung bakit kinoconsider natin na ang pag-aasawa ay isang biyaya, because the man and the woman who marry each other believe and think that the only meaning of life could be found in the person they love.
So take these words and sing out loud, 'cause everyone is forgiven now, 'cause tonight's the night the world begins again. I need someplace simple where we could live, and something only you can give, and that's faith and trust and peace while we're alive. And the one poor child who saved this world, and there's 10 million more who probably could, if we all just stopped and said a prayer for them. So take